Hey, what's up guys? We're going to show you how to make a quick little breakfast here. I know we're busy in the mornings, especially the stay-at-home dads trying to get your work started. So we're going to do a quick, easy thing. We got kids to feed. So we're going to take some pre-diced potatoes, pre-chopped onions, some brown and serve sausages, a little cheese. You can put some eggs on this if you want to. I'm not going to be putting eggs in mine. My daughter's allergic to eggs, so we're going to leave the eggs out for her, make her a special little bowl, and then once that part is done, then we'll throw some eggs in for myself, and I'll show you how to do it. Okay, so we're going to start our pan here. We'll get that showing here. Okay, so we're going to start our pan. We're going to throw some oil in there. While that's warming up, we're going to warm ourselves up some of these brown and serve sausages in the microwave. So we're going to do like 5 of these guys. Microwave those for about 45 seconds. We want that oil to warm up so that it's nice and hot. It's ready to sizzle. Alright, we'll throw in some of these diced onions. Just a little handful will do. We'll throw in these diced potatoes. I'm going to put some seasoning on it. I like this one, the Dano's spicy. You can put a little salt and pepper. Maybe you like it spicier than this, whatever you like. We just want to coat that up. Let that fry for a few minutes here. So, while that's cooking, we're going to cut up our little sausages. So here's what we're looking for. I don't know if you can see that. Potatoes are starting to get kind of brown. They got a nice little kind of crust forming on the outside. So we're starting to get kind of a crunchy little potato. So we want to go ahead and throw the sausage in here. We'll toss that around. You know, and the reality is you watch a lot of videos, you know, as a dad, you watch these videos, you watch videos on how to make food for your kids and stuff, and it's some, you know, professional chef, some stay-at-home person who has all the time in the world, but the reality is, especially if you're working remotely, you just don't have that kind of time. So we got to come up with ways to make nice, easy breakfast, something that's good, something we can take back to our little home office area maybe. We can eat it while we're working, while the kids are playing. You know, we don't have time for 87 steps and 13 different ingredients and all the rest of that. We got to make stuff that's nice and easy, something that tastes good. So this kind of suits the bill. You can take this, you can put it in a burrito, make a breakfast burrito out of it. I'm going to put it in some tortillas, kind of have some little tacos with it. But that's pretty much that. We're going to put that in a little bowl. My daughter's going to eat that up. And then once I pull her part out, I'm going to throw some eggs in it. I'll show you how that looks. Put some cheese on it. We'll be off and running. And sometimes if you're lucky, you burn your little knuckle hairs off. We don't need those little hairs anyway. We're going to put a lid on that, let that cheese melt. All right, now we're gonna warm up a few tortillas here. So here's what I like to do with mine. I'll put a little crema on there, a little sour cream, a little tapatio. These tortillas a little flip. Put some of that in there. Look good. Is that good? Mm-hmm. Yeah, you like that?
Yeah.
You like the sausages?
Yeah. This sausage.
Yeah? Uh-oh. Delicioso?
Yeah. Like that.
You want the tortilla?
No, Mom, baby cereal.
Yeah?
No, baby cereal. Baby cereal.
Baby turtle, yeah?
Yeah, baby cereal. Yeah.
The baby tortilla?
No, baby cereal.
You want some of this in here?
My turtle.
Like this?
My turtle. Yeah.
Okay. Is that good?
Mm-hmm.
You making yourself a little taco?
Yeah.
Is that a breakfast taco?
Yeah, but it's all.
Good job. That's oh no. That's delicious. Is that good? Is that good? Mmm.